Have you ever found yourself buried in files, losing track of where everything is? Welcome to the solution. Asset management and video editing. It's more than just organizing files. It's about setting the stage for creativity and efficiency. Let's unravel this fascinating world together. In the universe of video editing, managing your assets professionally is a cornerstone of success. It starts with a centralized file system, where every piece of media has its place. Add to that the use of bins and folders, making everything accessible. Utilizing keywords for tagging takes this a step further, providing instant access to what you need. But that's not all. Regular backup practices protect your hard work, while version control keeps track of your progress. Add keyboard shortcuts into the mix, and you have the recipe for success. And don't worry, we have even more professional insights coming up. Are you enjoying these professional insights? Make sure to subscribe to our channel to continue receiving valuable video editing tips. Organization goes beyond just sorting files. It permeates every part of your editing workflow. Planning your projects, creating a centralized file system, employing bins and folders, and using keyword tagging are the foundations. Building on that, regular backups and version control keep your work safe and trackable. Keyboard shortcuts speed things up, and collaboration and export strategies tie everything together. Finally, keeping up with software updates ensures that your tools are always sharp. The management of videos and photos is an art in itself. It starts with foresight and planning. A centralized file system is essential, supported by bins, folders, and keywords. But there's more. Backup strategies keep your work secure, and version control helps you navigate through different iterations. Video management software provides an extra layer of control, supported by a logging system. The finishing touches, color coding, markers, and proxies, fine-tuning your management system to perfection. Across the industry, certain methods and tools are common among professionals. A centralized file system creates the backbone, while folders and subfolders provide structure. Keywords add efficiency, and version control software keeps you on the right track. Logging systems help you navigate, and color coding, markers, and proxies add finesse. These are not just tools. They are an extension of the creative mind. The goal is always to enhance efficiency without compromising creativity. Project planning and a centralized file system set the stage. Organizing assets help you stay in control, and regular backups safeguard your work. Version control gives you the freedom to experiment, and keyboard shortcuts save precious time. Video management software, logging systems, color coding, and markers further refine the process. Proxies and careful consideration of software and hardware round off this comprehensive approach to efficient video editing. Did you find these tips helpful? If so, please like this video and share your own strategies and thoughts in the comments section. Let's grow together as video editors. We've journeyed together through the intricacies of asset management, covering everything from professional tips to tools that drive efficiency. This knowledge empowers you to be more creative, productive, and satisfied in your editing work. Apply these strategies and watch as your projects transform. Until next time, embrace these insights and organize like a true professional.